Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Another very eventful day on this one. Now, granted, last week on Friday, it was pretty crazy volume-wise, but just looking at the past couple of days, volume dropped off a little bit today, sure, but still, relatively speaking, volume was extremely, extremely high. So more of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to continue to watch this one going into Tuesday and the foreseeable future. And after today's movement with all the dust finally have settled, in my mind, there's really two main levels to watch going forward. And both these levels are not some sort of great discovery on my part. So I don't want to make it seem like nobody else has noticed this. In fact, the exact opposite is true. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have noticed these levels. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So the first level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, especially after today's price movement, is right up here at $2.70. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, you can see back on Friday, rejected the price. And then this morning, during that first 30 minutes, rejected the price. So again, a lot of people are going to be watching 270 and, wondering, can the price get up there? And if it can it break through it? And if it can, no such thing as a guarantee. My point is that if the price can break through that level, then it's not unreasonable at all. It's a more than rational thought to have that, that sort of price action could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of support are concerned, again, the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching going forward is that 220 mark. And the same exact logic applies, just flipped around. So if the price were to come down to that level, not a guarantee, but a valid thought that if the price does not quite hold above there, that could itself create quite a bit of downside buying pressure. So keep an eye on those levels going forward, and those are really the main areas to watch. It would not be shocking at all if the next couple of days, maybe some sort of sideways channel pattern forms now, where the price kind of gets trapped between these two areas. So we'll see what happens with, but all in all, what matters the most is that the volume is remaining very, very strong. And as long as the volume is there, that means that there's always potential for, continued nice movements, and that's what matters most. And like I said, sure, it wasn't as big as volume as Friday, but volume is still remaining very, very respectable. So let's see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.